As one of the leading suppliers of robotic and smart factory solutions, Kinko provides a series of automatic core components, including HMIs for any industries, servo drives, servo motors, and VFDs. Also, we have integrated motors already applied and proven by our clients in logistics and other industries. Speaking of the industrial solutions, we have brought our HV to the show. With the IWMC servo wheel, the HV can rotate and jack. The maximum load reaches 600 kilograms. We also have the Machine Internet of Things solution, helping you remotely monitor your plant in real time. For your collaborative robots, our frameless motor and upcoming motors could be useful. Our motion controller can control 10 axes synchronically. Not only in the traditional manufacturing industries are we involved, but we also have medical imaging equipment solutions, which are used by world-famous brands such as Siemens and United Imaging. These products acquired UL, CE, and other certifications. Allowing customers from all over the world to use them. Using Kinko product system, including the AC drives, controller, and touch panel, we presented the drawing platform in the CIIF 2024. If you are interested in any solutions and products, just email us.